Trying to tighten the front chain on a 747 Omni bender? First, remove the front shoe and dial indicator. The dial indicator can be removed by unscrewing the two screws securing it to the front sprocket and by removing the spacers. To remove the front faceplate, unscrew the screws that hold it onto the bender. Remove the front faceplate. To tighten the chain, use a 1/2-inch socket with an extension and a 1/2-inch drive impact wrench. Confirm that the sensor moves freely along its path without any obstruction from the wire or roller support during operation. Reattach the front faceplate by reinserting the screws. Reinstall the dial indicator by aligning the two small tapped holes on the indicator with the front sprocket. Reinstall the screws and spacers by tightening them securely with an Allen wrench. The front chain has successfully been tightened on your 747 Omni bender.